Wait, what?
Remember to delete the little videos.
Yeah, I don't know how to do.
Just press the three dots and press delete.
I can't. Wait, edit channel. Uh, Videos. Hmm.
I've set a momentum short at 6811. Like 6815. Yeah, I think this is gonna go down now.
From here. I might just short it right now.
I've closed my law.
Same. I break even.
C.
Where do you want the target? Where is your target?
What short?
Mm-hmm.
This is open at the moment. Probably like six, probably 6,600 ish. This does not look nice. Could call this like a re-entry. Because that pump just deleted all divergence, didn't it?
Yeah. But invalidated was divergence.
I mean, this is a pretty fat short actually. You could do stop at
Above that. Fat wick.
yeah, just like yeah.
6940 ish.
Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna do a 50% short here. Then I'm gonna do 33% short here. Then I do 66 on the momentum. You could call that a stop hunt before get rid
Yeah,
of the
that is a
short.
fat. It's could be. Yeah. Yeah. Let's CME gap might have to wait. There's still one more CME gap up there, so this could just be one that remains unfilled for a while. But Bitcoin just looks bearish as fuck. Wait, let me just. I'm gonna stop swearing when the live stream starts though.
No, you can swear if you want. Loudly, for God's sake.
You just add a webcam as well.
So yeah, bearish engulfing, 2 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour confirmed. Kind of confirmed bottom of range, almost underneath it.
Mm-hmm.
1 hour currently rejected off the 21 EMA, the 20 SMA, sorry.
Yeah.
In terms of the 1 hour, though, we closed underneath the previous kind of closes ranges.
This is looking so bad though.
But locally, like very locally, you can confirm this as a higher high, higher low ish if we
Yeah, but it's not very convincing, is it? It looks so ugly.
4 hour stock still down, 6 hour stock still down, 12 hour stock still down. 3 hour kind of crossing.
The RSI is
2 and 1.
like gradually moving up, even though like it's kind of going sideways.
The thing about this, the RSI on the 12 and daily, there's still a lot of room for it to go down.
Yeah.
A lot of room.
So there's like absolutely no need for it to go up right here.
I think about 20 on the RSI is where it starts getting a bit fucked. Yeah, I mean, it's just. But do you use a EMA?
I used
Do you
to
use an
50 EMA for trend.
on the RSI though?
Can you?
Yes, yeah. 12 EMA is like the standard. And it bounces off it really beautifully. At the moment, we're underneath it.
Well, you can drag your EMA into the.
I don't know. The
How do you do it?
indicator I have. The indicator I have just has it.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Yeah, no, I thought you could just like drag your EMA into it. I was like, what?
If you look,
Overall,
if you
like
go in RSI settings, it might.
no, it doesn't. Overall, like the daily time frame, there's absolutely nothing bullish about this.
Yeah, we closed below previous low, so. As in,
Exactly. Oh yeah, like that. I see that.
closed below 7900. Wasn't much. Wasn't next to no wick. Crossover on the TTM. Crossover on the MACD. It's fucked, man.
Just rest in peace. Oh fuck.
3 days just about to close under 200 SMA.
Yeah, I might up with a small short, just a scalp with like 5% account balance. Just down to that that wick.
Yeah, as I was saying to you earlier, though, we dropped from the ascending triangle, next to no bounce, meaning we're just grinding away a big order, no buy pressure. So as soon as this order gets removed or we eat through it, it's going down.
Yeah, because on the heat map, there's like a fat order at 6 to 800 ish.
And these longs are still increasing. It has not dipped. It's just gone sideways and up.
Yeah, it's 308 versus 55 million on Bitfinex.
I don't think the percentage is that relevant. It's the all-time high. It's gonna get liquidated. Now I see the longs as an oscillator. So they go from oversold, overbought conditions. At the moment, it's extreme overbought. Yeah. This goes down much lower. Stop's gonna get hit. It's gonna be liquidations. It's gonna be nasty.
Yeah, I'm opening a scalp here. Actually, we fell back to that range.
I've got a momentum short at 6816. Just underneath the previous wicks, the local wicks.
Fair enough.
I set a momentum short at under 6990. That's quite nice. That's 200, 200. Quite a lot of the alts are bouncing from their previous ranges. The diagonal, I'll show you what I mean. I'll give Ethereum Bitcoin a rough example.
Cardano's just a bloodbath. Like every alt just died yesterday after that dump.
I mean, that's pretty sketchy chart, but you kind of get what I mean.
Yeah, I can see that.
Kind of broke out of previous range, gone back in. Same with Litecoin, back into the fallen channel.
But the interesting thing here is that just the dominance is just constantly rising, even though Bitcoin's falling to the ground. It's just because alts are just dying.
Well, I mean, it broke out of the
Yeah.
trend line downwards.
True.
He pointed that bit out to me. Does it make sense? Go to dominance on like a
Yeah, I can't go to dominance for some reason. Oh, here we go.
yeah. It breaks for me as well usually. It's kind of like a little bit like a bull flag in a way,
No, yeah, absolutely.
like a wedge. Anyway, rip alts, I guess. That's a big return.
Well, yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna open that short. You just saw like a stop hunt, taking out all the late shorters. Should go lower in theory.
We're kind of on the EQ of the previous range, the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of forming like a 1 hour hammer, but it's tiny.
No, it's just not strong enough.
Kind of meets the requirements though, as in the wick's lower than the previous, but it's not really big enough.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my buy orders to close that position. I'd say somewhere around
This would
65.
be a nasty shot.
It could be a very good short. Yeah, I'm gonna put my buy orders around 65, 60.
You could either put a stop above this local high or
That's what I'm doing. Yeah.
above the hammer, which was the previous low. The wick at the top of the hammer. Do you see it?
This one. Wait, what are you talking about?
Looking at. Oh, I'll show you.
No, I don't know. You can't. Yeah, never mind.
Which is not. It's only a little bit above, so it's like an extra 0.1%, which might make.
Mm-hmm.
This is a rough setup, I was thinking. Target about 6.63.
Yeah, let me just drag it into the screen so the viewers can see. Yeah, fair enough. I get that.
But it does look. I do think this is creating like a strange looking OB. You see it so often, we just see one big candle down. A very slight consolidation. And down again. It's just because there's been there's no bounce, no buy pressure. It's weak.
Mm-hmm.
Daily's now turned red.
I gotta switch my instruments to the March perpetuals.
I know. I'm using the Z19 too much.
Yeah.
I'm using it for my hedging.
H20.
And let me think. When it closes though, there should be a bounce because everyone who leaves their one-time shorts in it for hedging,
Yeah.
they'll be closing. They'll be closing
Exactly.
market long. Yeah. Fuck. Yeah, because that's what most people do. Just do a one-time short to keep your. That's what I usually keep about 80% of my funds in USD.
Mm-hmm.
Which is the same as a one-time short. Just hedging it, then yeah. So when does the Z19 close?
23rd of December.
Yeah. So that could induce a bounce. Don't know how significant. I'd imagine all the big players would know about that. It just feels the FOMO kids. I just forgot. It's only be a small amount of money.
The thing is down again.
Yeah. I see.
It's annoying.
Ethereum looks worse.
Yeah, Ethereum looks more like a bear flag to me.
Yeah, if you invert it, it looks even more deadly. Oh, but let me just look at something a second. Give me.
I'm gonna send you this.
And also, do you want to see something pretty?
Pretty or?
Chart that no one.
Oh god.
Shall I show you a chart that no one is that no one's looking at?
Sure, give it to me.
Excuse my illustrations, but this is inverted, by the way. So it can make sense for a bounce.
Yeah, 1 sec. Someone's calling me. I'll be right back. All right. I'm gonna make some coffee.
Okay. Okay, just look at that chart there. That's inverted.
Oh, that's a good chart. That's a nice chart, by the way.
It's disgusting, but.
All right. Well, I'll be right back.
So yeah, we're kind of in a cup and handle right now, inverted. It's not the most rounded of cups, but we'll play it on the breakout. Also in a weekly head and shoulders, we got a nice retest of it. That would target about 5.4, 4.5 kind of thing. In which case it would dump hard. I'll send it to Josh's Telegram, see if you can see. I've been watching this for the last couple of weeks. Quite a lot of people calling this like a weekly like bull flag loss, I think. That's incorrect. It's gone on for too long. For bull flags, we like to see them break out sooner rather than later. So at the moment, we're pretty much doing the same thing as we were a couple of months ago. Everyone thought we're bull flagging after the China news. But it turns out we just did like a kind of parabolic downside. And that's gone similar to what's happening here on the weekly. Doesn't have quite a curved slope, but it's fine. It's this 1 hour bearish engulfing, which I don't like. Bearish engulfing is where the candle, the newest candle, is bigger than the previous. Pretty much, it's engulfing the previous candle. And that's a sign of huge sell pressure. And most of the time it goes down. Hence why we're in a swing shot.
I am now back.
Don't know, flick the head and shoulder weekly up on the screen.
Sure. Let me just open that up.
You see perfect retest. The wicks touched.
The dead diagonal is pretty good, actually. It's a rough image, but like.
I mean, I could do the diagonal slightly better.
I can see this like working.
I wouldn't. As soon as we get a close above that, then I'll be slightly bullish. But until we're
slightly bullish.
Slightly bullish. If we can get a close above that, then that'd be a weekly higher high. And that would invalidate this in shoulders. Head and shoulders is one of the most. It's like 80% success rate or something stupid.
Bitcoin Cash is to the ground. What the fuck?
Head and shoulders meant to be.
Are you seeing this? Just look at Bitcoin Cash.
fuck? What?
It's like absolutely dying. Should have shorted that. Is that
Yeah,
still open?
look at it.
This is gone. Bitcoin's also slightly dropping here.
What are the other alts doing?
Not much. Just sitting on that support-ish zone where they bounce from at least. Mm.
This is death.
Hans asks, what do you think about the CME gap? Specifically, he asks you what you think about it. Because this is
Me?
my opinion. Yeah.
Um,
Keep an eye out on the chat, man.
CME gaps don't need to be closed immediately.
No, we've seen
Yeah,
it in the past.
it's like a week. It's like a weak magnet. We still have a gap open at 11.5 ish. Hasn't been filled.
Where is that? Let me check. I'm going to
Um,
put that on the screen. Yeah, that's right there. That is
this
the gap
gap was
at
almost
11,600.
there's I would the gap almost confirmed the breakout. As in, we had the descending triangle we pointed out.
Yeah.
The gap closed. Closed below it. We retested it, and in the CME, there was only one retest, and which after that retest we dumped.
Yeah.
CME is where all the money is, all the like. That's where the big. That's where pretty much all the big players are. So when they see the retest, they dump, and that's exactly what happened. So it didn't really matter about the gap at that point. But if we do go up and retest it, if we do go up and fill the gap, I see that's quite bullish, and this.
If we eventually close above it.
And this structure, what we're doing now, I think this wouldn't be a bear trap, and which will probably go up. So if we fill that gap, I get bullish, but only slightly.
Yeah, just because the gap is perfectly above that descending triangle diagonal.
And in terms of indicators, on the CME itself, got a 1 day crossover on the Stoch and MACD. All of which are quite fresh and raw. And on the CME, we have the 1 day death cross on the EMAs. EMA death cross is more significant than the SMAs and all sorts. Yeah, 55 crossing the 200. That only happened like yesterday, in which it dumped.
Check your Discord, but don't say it out loud. Yeah, it's looking a little short. Put
on the BTC1 and put the 55 EMA and 200 EMA on. And look how beautifully it crosses. And
the daily.
Yeah, daily on the CME. 55 and 200 EMA. Because the CME, you should weight them over like normal charts, just because that's where all the money is.
Yeah, that's just that. That's yeah. So ugly. I have a bit of a cold. Sorry.
On stream.
No, it's on the side. It's on a different screen. What? Why is that?
1 second.
It's open on my second monitor. Yeah, I just have all my personal stuff on a different monitor. Oh fuck, look at Bitcoin, dude. Goodbye.
Yeah. Thought so.
Hold it.
What is it rejected off?
That's what I'm asking myself as well. It's not yet you're rejecting. It's just like it's moving up and down. So like if something moves down, it just doesn't dump instantly. It just goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up.
Big work.
Decent. Like a third of the candle.
hit 6-6, which I said to you about that rough kind of.
Yeah, bounce off that doji candle.
That was a 3% dump.
I also need a chart. That's where it bounced.
This is not looking good for Bitcoin. But
No,
I need to
it's
open
looking
the books.
very bad actually.
So we break 6-6 would be quite hard to break. We'd be going to 6-3. If we can break that, 6k. If we can break that, it's like 5.4 or something. So the 6.3 to 6k region is going to be the biggest support, and that's where I think it'll bounce from. 6.3 6k, as in a significant bounce, not just a one-day consolidation. Yeah, as we were saying earlier, we managed to break the that order block we're just sitting on. Now we're going down.
Just screenshotting my position here. Oh fuck. That's trash. Yeah,
Damn, I'll swing short.
did it hit another target or not?
No, but we that's a 9% drop our swing short so far. We entered at 7.58.
Beautiful. Yeah.
7,400-ish. 4 times leverage.
Outstanding trade.
Have you seen our swing stats?
They're insane. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull this up on my screen actually.
not for
Isn't-
self-promotion,
but
but
it's
lost
stupid.
We haven't lost swing short in.
Yeah, that's the smaller table, right? Yeah. Wait.
This swing one.
Let me.
Telegram seemed to put like the resolution quite low.
Yeah. Wait. Copy post link. I'm just gonna pull that up on this thing here. Oh fuck! Wait, no, that's not working. Save image as. Yeah, sure. Let's open pictures here. Yeah, let's just pull this up on the screen here. Very poor resolution because of Telegram, but you get the idea, I hope. Oh, sorry. Yeah, if you short one times, your USD value doesn't go down, even though your Bitcoin value can go up or down.
It's relevant. One time short is the same
Yeah.
as putting in USD.
Yeah.
So that's what you're meant to do. You hedge about I hedge about 80% of my account at one times, and I take some out when I want to open a bigger position.
Well, one time short is basically just a sell, just like it's selling all your Bitcoin.
It's just having it in like Tether. Kind of thing.
Yeah, exactly how you would do it on Binance. Just change it to USDT. After the small dump here, though, we did we bound some pretty important support here. It's not really fat support, but like it's local importance because it's almost the bottom. But if we were to break this wick down here, Um, if we break this level, it's just dead. It's gonna create a lower low. It's gonna continue downtrend.
6.5.
We don't do anything. Everything manual. Wait, one second. I'm just answering.
6.5. It goes to 6.3.
Yeah. No, we're not doing anything. Everything manual. We just take profit orders, but sometimes we take profit early when we're watching it, and we set a stop using BitMEX. However, I will be switching to Bybit very soon. I'm just getting used to all the controls with low balance.
I'm keeping to BitMEX.
I'm really
I
not
just know how
sure.
to use it.
Yeah,
I
but
just understand
basically the same.
as in like momentum shorts and stuff like that. Just
I
uncomfortable.
think the controls on Bybit are very similar.
Yeah, I can't really be asked. Unless it's cheaper fees, which it isn't.
It's not cheaper fees, but it's way fast. Oh fuck, let's register. No, just go to trade. Let me.
It doesn't
Yeah.
overload, does it?
Huh?
So Ethereum is retesting the previous range, though it's kind of just seems to be wicking up. Big wick on this one. It's not.
I think we hit the demand zone.
On
That big order zone. That I talked about on Tensor charts. The Bitcoin heat map. I'll send you the image.
we bounced from that. There was one where we were at the moment. I think we're just grinding away at the previous orders.
Right, let me just check. Image URL. I'm just gonna send you this. Yeah. We bounce from that. Slightly only. What happens to alts? Alts are still pretty decent. They're not dead at least.
That's fine. Look at Bitcoin on like a daily or like 12-hour. If we get close below 6,800, close below 6,900.
Mm-hmm.
That's a confirmed low low. In terms of bodies.
Yeah, 6,900 ish. Hmm. Wait, which microphone am I using? Actually, I have no clue. Is that you receiving all the notifications?
Me?
Yeah,
We
because
can
hearing
hear
that. Yeah. Open sound settings. It's fine. Realistic audio. I think I'm using my laptop audio. I think it's fine for now though. Solid trade.
We could see a slight retrace up from here.
Yeah, fair enough. There is bullish divergence. I don't know if it still counts because of that fat wake up.
We've only got it's only about a 50% measure move though so far from that descending triangle.
Are you seeing that bullish divergence?
We give it 1 second. Actually, yeah, we hit the measure move from a concert, like taking it from the second wave. But it's in what time frame?
Just sending it to you.
We have hidden bearish divergence, which played out on the 45-minute. Hour. I mean, it depends on the close. Kinda. No divergence on the Storch MACD or anything like that.
No, exactly. No. There's still some on the daily though, but I'm not. No, I don't like it though. I don't care about it.
There should be some divergence around this. If you don't have divergence, then that's it's gonna wreck City. Yeah, but this wick is quite big now, so
That's not really a big wick.
We're at least test around 600. I'd imagine. I mean, if we confirm here, that is. We could
It's
confirm
such a classic move
before
for a
games.
bear flag, by the way. This is the perfect place to short, as I just did, by the way, because I'll show my position on screen. The trade I actually caught. So just position.
It is typical Bitcoin though. Doing
It's just like
yeah,
it's just
the same
consolidation followed by just like late shorters getting stopped, and it just falls down.
fake out, which we
This is
saw.
this is such a perfect pattern. It's so easy
Why do we trade crypto with all these fake outs?
because the stupid people actually think to go long on the fake out. No offense to anyone who took that long, but like we just faked. Oh, yeah, let me just check that.
It does that with every pattern recently though.
Yeah, we just like we just took out that high, got rejected from it, and immediately went. I shorted at 66.68 with my stop above there, my target right there. Just a beautiful trade.
We also have a swing short open at 7338,
Yeah, let me just pull up the channel here.
which we posted in Hive.
Yeah, entry zone 73.38 and 74.50. First and second targets were hit. Next target's at 65.40 for that short. The short target was an average of 7,400. With our stop placed at no, where is it? Let me check. Yeah, I'm going to stop at 75.10. Short it all the way down to here. We caught
Just above
10%
it was
there.
above the previous high.
Was it?
Yeah. This 12 hours really not the 12-hour 55 EMA has been catching all these scam wicks lately. The big ones, not just the little ones. So yeah, we'll probably just consolidate sideways.
I just posted in the channel message saying that we are looking very, very bearish here. There is absolutely nothing bullish about Bitcoin. If anyone's trying to tell you, yeah, Bitcoin's going to the moon, like, no, it's not. Trust me.
Yeah, the last time TTM crossed bearish, it dropped. You there, Josh?
Sorry, I'm back.
Last time the daily TTM dropped bearish, Bitcoin went down 25%, and it just changed. It just ticked over to bearish yesterday, in which it dumped like 6% already.
What did?
TTM squeeze. It's kind of new indicator I'm using on the daily. It's like a slower. It's almost like a slower MACD.
What is it called?
TTM squeeze.
Is it paid?
No.
Oh, by Greeny. Yeah, I see that.
On the daily. This shows like the Polish bands and the I don't know how to pronounce it. Kernel channel. Anyway, it was a good confirmation of the descending triangle breakout, along with the weekly head and shoulders. I didn't see any. I could not see anything bullish for this. So yeah, we'll probably ride this down until we see a weekly high. I don't really see much. So as soon as you get a weekly confirm above 200 EMA, I'm gonna start going long.
Let's look at the weekly here. Yeah,
It's just
horrible. Like the next zones of support for me, I'm just gonna mark them out in the chart here.
You can draw a like a regression channel. It is just a downwards channel.
Yeah, it's just trash.
The diagonals actually work quite nicely on it.
From here we could see actually the retest of that descending triangle.
I think it'd be quite a bullish sign if we managed to get up to 7K. I think we did. We almost did retest it. The wick went up to well, we did wick up to 6.9. It's not really. I mean, yeah, if you go on the CME chart on like 4 hour, you can see that was you can see the retest of the descending triangle. If we retest it again, and I don't think it will. Look at this chart. Look how beautifully the CME confirmed it.
Yeah,
big money came in, dropped. That retest was nice. It really shows you how insignificant, just like the Bitcoin, the BitMEX charters. Yeah, Josh, we kind of formed an AV above us.
Shut up. On 12 hour, yeah, it is actually.
I told you, when you have like a fat candle down, little wick, you get a very slight bit of green down. I keep having to switch between a few accounts.
I think that's going to wrap it up for the stream today. Thank you everyone for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next stream.